Hello, I am Joanne Meekins, and I am the founder of Inspired for You Ministries, Inspired for You Publications, and I am here to help you be enlightened, encouraged, and empowered as an entrepreneur, especially those who are challenged by technology and who want to professionalize their online image, gain more exposure, feel more confident, and present themselves more authentically. I am back today to do the video challenge, Stories That Sell. This is day 4, and the question that I'm answering today is, who was I 3 years ago? So 3 years ago, in 2015, I was reaping the rewards of my 2013 commitment and 2014 efforts to put 110% of my time and energy into living on purpose. I was stretching way beyond my comfort zone to operate in several of my gifts. I was designing and monthly administrating websites and blogs and social media pages and channels. I was creating business documents and marketing materials. I was editing and publishing manuscripts and blogs. I was coaching and selling my books and earning royalties and appearing on Blog Talk radio programs and conference calls. 3 years ago, I was walking in God's favor and overflow. One church member was buying my books just to give away as gifts. Another member was taking my books to her hair salon and selling them and bringing me back the money. I also received several monetary gifts that year, to sow into my ministry. And I was guest speaker on the Joy Talk radio program, Good Deeds Live, Living Purposely, Silent Enterprises Book Club, the Danny Lovestrong Show, and Tracy Foreman's Sister Girl Coffee, Tea, and Chat webinar. And so 3 years ago, I also gained clarity about my offerings. I acknowledged my worth and increased my rates. For the first time, I experienced quoting my fees to a client and having them just without hesitation pay it in advance. Jumped on it. It happened so fast, I felt like I should have and could have quoted a higher price and got paid for it with not a problem at all. And especially after I figured out how much work went into, providing my services. So 3 years ago, I had a shift to live on purpose and was receiving the fruits of my labor. Do you remember who you were 3 years ago? If you do, why not share and be blessed? Peace and love.